Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smartband, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your phone to send the notifications to your smartband. So let's open the settings on our phone by tapping on the settings icon. Once you open the settings, you will need to find the notification access. You can tap on search, type in notification access, and it should direct you to it, or you can look for it manually by going to notifications. And as you can see right here, I have notification access. It could also be hidden in the special app access and then notification access. Once you find notification access, open this menu, and as you can see on this menu we have, rather in this menu we have a list of apps, and we have allowed and not allowed, and the Garmin Connect is in the not allowed category. We need to allow the notification access to it, so we need to tap on Garmin Connect, tap on the switch and tap on allow. And once this is allowed, you can close the settings, find the Garmin Connect application icon. Once you find it, press and hold on it and tap on app info. And here we need to allow a couple permissions. So tap on permissions, and I recommend to allow permission for the call logs, phone, SMS, and the contacts. So let's allow the permissions. To do it, tap on the permission, tap on allow, and go back and repeat for the rest. Okay. And once you allow all the permissions, you can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see My Day page. On it, you probably will see the icon of your Vivo Smart right here at the top. If you see it, you can tap on this icon to open the device page. If you don't, tap on the menu, Garmin devices, and then select your Vivo Smart 4 from the list of devices. Okay, and once you open the device page, find the sounds and alerts, tap on it, then select Smart Notifications, and here we can enable and disable notifications for during an activity and not during activity. Basically, if you're tracking activity like running, cycling, and stuff like that, you can enable or disable the notifications for that moment, or you can select which types of notifications should be displayed, and not during activities, everything else. So if you're not tracking activity on your smartband, you can enable or disable the notifications for that time. You can select the type of notifications you want to receive. And once you're done customizing this, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our band. And once you see the notification, you can press the touch sensitive button to skip it. And to open the notification menu, scroll through the list of widgets by swiping up or down on the home screen. Find this one, tap on it to open the list of notifications. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.